Yeah, what a stunning day. But yeah, the reason why I got the action camera is the pocket free. It's not very strong, so if you drop it, you've obviously got that screen, haven't you, what flips. Then that's not cheap. So this action camera is perfect for woodland. So yeah, I'm filming in D-Log, so I can colour correct later. It always makes the greens and the browns pop in a woodland. Yeah, I'm just going to do a short video on this one because I'm just trying to compare. Oh, hello. But yeah, if I drop it, this ain't going to break. Yeah, I'm just looking at what it's going to be like around us. Just, it's not bad to be fair, is it? Yeah, I'm going to take this down to the lake and all, and I think this will be better for swans and all. This is, yeah, perfect for woods. So yeah, I'm just going to play around with it, look. See what it looks like on the screen when we've edited. Yeah, I like it. I do like it. I got the action combo, so you get the selfie stick, which I'll push out. You ready? This is how far it goes. I can go right up to that tree there. Look. See what it looks like up there. You ready? That's how far we are. Look. Oh, I'm dizzy. Like I say, it's not a perfect video, it's more just to see what it looks like whilst we're filming. But yeah, I do like it. Right, let's go this way. Yeah, I'm impressed. I do like this Action 4. It's the older one, but I have read reviews that the Action 4 still outperforms the new ones. So it's a camera at the end of the day, isn't it? Yeah, I like it. Hay fever. Let's go and have a little look down here where bluebells are and see how they look. See, with this as well, I can go through leaves, look, and not be scared of scratching the camera. I've got it on standard view, not wide, because when you start going wide on these, you get that fisheye effect nearly. And I've gone just normal rock steady, just enough to stop it shaking about. Yeah. I'll make it What are we on, 8 minutes? I'll make it a 10-minute video. But yeah, I mean, I do like it. I really am impressed. Another thing, actually, if I put it out and then tilt that up, just like that, it can be a bit more cinematic look. I don't know how that's looking. Got a bloody spider on my arm. Yeah. I'll see you on next video.